Looks like we got another Chapter 11 bankruptcy to report about. APL Cargo Inc., a trucking company based out of Wilcott, Indiana, filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. The company, which had 122 drivers and 142 power units, seeks to reorganize. Alongside Indy National Leasing, a related trucking leasing company, also filed for Chapter 11. APL Cargo faces a class action lawsuit alleging drivers' misclassification. The company's assets and liabilities are estimated between $1 million and $10 million, with significant debt owed to several creditors. Safety and compliance issues were also highlighted. All right, let's have a look at their profile. So here we go. APL Cargo, related company, detected 142 trucks reported, 399 inspections. They were started in May 20th, 2014. They are showing 158 trucks inspected, 180 trailers inspected. Let's have a look at their safety score. So we have a couple of, not a lot of negative reviews, I have to say here, but there is their flashing. Let's look at their unsafe driving. Oh, this is pretty bad. Unsafe driving, 45.6. Hours of service compliance, 31.3. Crash indicator. Okay, so I have no idea how they're going to get reinsured. These safety reports look pretty bad in my eyes. So if I was an insurance company, there's no way that I would insure them. Let's look what else they have. Broker qualifications. They are not a broker. They don't have a bond or a trust on file. Another thing I like to do is I like to go into some of their Google reviews just to see what is it like working at a company like this. So let's have a look at APL Cargo. They have 103 Google reviews. Let's have a read. So I like to put newest ones up on top. So there's one review from 3 weeks ago, another review over here. If I could have 0 stars, I would. If you value your CDLA license, do not work for these people. All their after hours dispatchers are from Russia. You can't understand any of them, so they are useless to say the least. If you have a question, they send you a video to watch when you're supposed to watch while you are in sleeper berth, which is illegal. The dispatcher constantly tells you you can use personal conveyance to advance your load. Okay, so that's one review. I see a lot of 5-star reviews over here on their Google reviews. So one of the reasons why I look at their Google reviews to see if there's a pattern. I'm looking for more safety related stuff. So terrible place to work. They do not care about their drivers. Also, you can't understand the dispatchers. They're overseas speaking another language. Okay, so that's a reoccurring review. Let's see if we can find any more. Driver of truck something decided they needed to lay on the horn and hang out on the window on the I something. That's a review from somebody who saw them on the road. Don't really have much weight on those reviews. This company lies and steals from you. Will even bring you in from a load and claim something just to fire you. And trust me, there's a whole lot more they steal money from. And you have trucks, their company. This company will be and is the next Caledon. Do not go to this company, for they do not have you and your family's best interests at heart. Okay, I'd really like to find some more information about their class action lawsuit. That's really what I'm after. Let's see what we can find on this class action lawsuit. A former APL Cargo lease purchase driver filed a lawsuit against the trucking company and Indy National Leasing in April 2023. The complaint, which seeks class action status, alleges that former APL drivers were misclassified as independent contractors instead of employees in a violation of the Federal Fair Labor Standards Act and Indiana wage laws. The lawsuit also alleges that APL drivers who leased truck or trailers from Indy National aren't allowed to use their equipment to work for other carriers without written permission from APL. All right, so we got some more information. So from what I understand, people that have signed on to the lease purchase program are claiming that they are a class action lawsuit, which is claiming that they are misclassified and that they are independent contractors when they need to have an employee status. Let's see if anything else stands out over here. APL Cargo truck. So this is when it comes to the safety. Had been inspected 177 times and 51 had been placed out of service. That is insane in the last 24 months, resulting in nearly 29% out of service rate. The 3 largest unsecured creditors are SOS Capital, owed nearly $541,000, Dynasty Capital owed $350,000, and JRG Funding owed nearly $342,000. APL Cargo is disputing the trade debt, yada yada yada. Another unsecured creditor, US Truck and Trailer Repair, $1.4 million they are owed. Holy shit. According to Indy National's leasing petition, the company has assets of $50,000 and liabilities of $10 million. Do you guys see something wrong with that? When a company has $50,000 in assets and $10 million in liabilities, who the hell gives these companies so much credit? I just don't understand, the financial system in the US. I mean, It is nuts. $50,000 in assets and approximately $10 to $50 million in liabilities. That seems excessive. But anyways, that's all I know about the Indiana-based trucking company. 122 drivers. So because they're filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, this does not mean that these trucks are coming off the road. I do see that this company is going to have a hard time maintaining because their safety scores are not the greatest. I don't know what insurance company is going to insure them, but they definitely need to do something about their safety score if they want to keep in today's market. Chapter 11 bankruptcy will give them the ability to restructure and align their debt. You know, they will probably end up paying 20 cents on a dollar, 50 cents on a dollar, maybe even 10 cents on a dollar once they're restructured and they need to propose the plan. All right, guys, so this is crazy. I'll keep you posted on any other trucking companies that are either filing for bankruptcy or shutting down their doors. There are a few more here in Canada that have shut down or that are closing up shop, which I will report later on in this week. So hopefully you learned something from this video. I'm Ronen, and I'll catch you in my next one.